Are you getting the Qt5ScriptTools.dll error after the Qt Framework update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app.
Before diving into the Qt5ScriptTools technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Qt5ScriptTools, the Qt5ScriptTools library. It provides unmanaged debugging and tracing routines for the Qt script engine, facilitating the diagnostic manifest for localized data links.
Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps.
To resolve this, keep in mind that Qt5ScriptTools.dll is typically installed with Qt Framework. Reinstalling the latest version of Qt Framework from the official developer source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the missing library.
When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required.
Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Qt5ScriptTools file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting.
With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files.
Keep in mind that Qt5ScriptTools DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure.
To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support.
For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing Qt5ScriptTools dependencies. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Qt5ScriptTools was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.